Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the global economy. From automation in factories to advanced algorithms in finance, AI is reshaping how work is done across nearly every industry. What once required human labor can now be performed faster, cheaper, and often more efficiently by machines. This shift raises a critical question: what happens to human jobs? Historically, technological revolutions have always disrupted the workforce. The Industrial Revolution replaced manual labor with machines, and the Digital Revolution automated many office tasks. In each case, new jobs eventually emerged, often requiring new skills. However, the rise of AI may be fundamentally different. Unlike previous technologies, AI is not limited to physical tasks. It can analyze data, write content, generate images, and even make decisions. This means that both manual and cognitive jobs are now at risk. Jobs in manufacturing, transportation, customer service, and even creative industries are already being affected. Autonomous vehicles could reduce the need for drivers. AI chatbots are replacing customer support roles. Content generation tools are changing the landscape for writers, designers, and artists. At the same time, AI is creating new opportunities. Roles in AI development, data analysis, cybersecurity, and machine learning are growing rapidly. The challenge is that these jobs often require specialized skills that many workers do not yet have. This creates a growing gap between those who can adapt and those who cannot. As AI continues to evolve, the ability to learn new skills and adapt to changing conditions will become increasingly important. The future of work is not just about job loss. It is about transformation. The question is whether society can manage this transition in a way that benefits everyone. By the way, if you're into AI, robotics, and future technology, make sure to subscribe to Time to Wake Up. Now, let's get back to today's topic. One of the biggest concerns surrounding AI and the future of work is economic inequality. As AI systems become more powerful, the benefits they generate may not be distributed evenly. Large technology companies and those who control AI infrastructure could accumulate significant wealth. Meanwhile, workers displaced by automation may struggle to find new opportunities. This imbalance could lead to increased economic disparities within and between countries. The concept of universal basic income, UBI, is often discussed as a potential solution. UBI involves providing individuals with a fixed income regardless of employment status, helping to ensure a basic standard of living. While some see it as a way to address job displacement, others argue that it may not fully solve the underlying issues. Another important factor is education. Traditional education systems may not be equipped to prepare individuals for an AI-driven economy. Lifelong learning and continuous skill development will likely become essential. Companies and governments will need to invest in training programs that help workers transition into new roles. This includes not only technical skills but also soft skills such as creativity, critical thinking, and adaptability, areas where humans still have an advantage. At the same time, there is an ongoing debate about the role of regulation. Should governments impose limits on automation to protect jobs, or should they encourage innovation to maximize economic growth? Striking the right balance is complex. Too much regulation could slow progress, while too little could lead to widespread disruption. The decisions made today will shape the economic landscape of the future. Looking ahead, the future of work in an AI-driven world could take several different paths. One possibility is a highly automated society where machines perform most tasks, and humans focus on creative, strategic, and interpersonal roles. In this scenario, work as we know it may change dramatically. Instead of traditional jobs, people may engage in flexible, project-based work or pursue creative and entrepreneurial activities. Another possibility is a more challenging transition, where job displacement occurs faster than new opportunities can be created. This could lead to social and economic instability if not managed effectively. The relationship between humans and AI will be a key factor. Rather than replacing humans entirely, AI may serve as a powerful tool that enhances human capabilities. This concept, often referred to as human-AI collaboration, suggests that the most successful individuals and organizations will be those that can effectively integrate AI into their workflows. Ethical considerations will also play a crucial role. Questions about fairness, access, and the distribution of wealth must be addressed to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared broadly. Ultimately, the future of work is not predetermined, It will be shaped by the choices made by individuals, companies, and governments. Will AI lead to a world of abundance and opportunity, or a future defined by inequality and disruption? The answer depends on how we navigate the challenges ahead. Thanks for watching Time to Wake Up. The future is just getting started. See you in the next video.